This is Precalculus chapter 1.2. We're going to be finding the x and y intercepts, 3 different types of symmetries, and graphing key equations. For number 16, if you want to find the x-intercept, you want to insert 0 into y. So y equals to 0. When we solve it, we have 0 equals to x squared minus 9. So now let's go ahead and solve for x. You want to add 9 on both sides. So you have x squared equals to positive 9. And x is going to equal to positive negative 3. So your x-intercepts are going to be plus minus 3 comma 0. So next, if you want to find out the y-intercept, you want to insert 0 into x. So you have y equals to 0 squared minus 9. So y is going to equal to negative 9. So the y-intercept is going to be 0 comma negative 9. Number 20, in order to find x-intercept, so you want to insert 0 into y. We have 5x plus 2 times 0 equals to 10. So 5x equals to 10, meaning that x equals to 2. So the x-intercept is going to be 2 comma 0. For the y-intercept, you want to insert 0 into x. So you have 5 times 0 plus 2y equals to 10. So 2y equals to 10, y equals to 5. You want to express it as 0 comma positive 5. Okay, let's take a look at number 34, the graph. We want to find the intercepts. And it appears to be that there is a y-intercept. You can label that as 0 comma 1. And is the graph symmetric? No. So for number 36, we got the y-intercept at 0 comma negative 3. So there are two x-intercepts. One of them is negative 2 comma 0. Another one is 2 comma 0. So is the graph symmetric? Yes. About the y-axis. So for number 38, this is a special case. This is a circle, so this is not a function. First of all, let's look at the y-intercepts. So we got y-intercept right here. We can label that as 0 comma positive 2. The one down here is going to be 0 comma negative 2. The one over here is the x-intercept. We can label it as negative 2 comma 0. The one over here, another x-intercept, is going to be labeled as 2 comma 0. So this graph is actually going to be symmetric about the x-axis, y-axis, and the origin. So for number 40, start with the y-intercept is at 0 comma 0. So the first x-intercept is right here. This is negative 4 comma 0. Another one here overlapping with the y-intercept. That is also your x-intercept at 0 comma 0. And the last one is going to be right here. This is positive 4 comma 0. And this graph is symmetric about the origin. For number 50, if you replace y with negative y, you're going to get square of negative y equals to x plus 9. And this is basically saying negative y times negative y equals to x plus 9. And you're going to get y squared equals to x plus 9, which is the same as the original equation. So this equation is symmetric about the x-axis. For number 54, if you replace x with negative x, you're going to get y equals to negative x to the 4th power minus 2 square of negative x minus 8. And you're going to get y equals to x to the 4th minus 2x squared minus 8. So since this is the same as the original equation, this is symmetric about the y-axis. For number 62, I'm going to replace y with negative y and x with negative x. So negative y is going to equal to square of negative x minus 4 over 2 times negative x. So negative y equals to negative x squared minus 4 over 2x. Let's go ahead and multiply by negative 1 on both sides. And y is going to equal to x squared minus 4 over 2x. Since this is the same as the original equation, this is symmetric about the origin. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Good luck with your homework.